August 2nd. Finally going fishing again for the first time in several weeks. Down at Puerto Escondido. Bill and Tim. Just getting up on plane, leaving Puerto Escondido. Saw some lightning on the drive down here. This is always nice, huh? Just like a big lake. Saw some lightning back in that cloud. Yeah, I know it's a little bumpy. Oh, that's nice. But it's too much. Bill and Tim, all serious and quiet, but ready to go.
Hey, Tuesday morning bite. Billy's on. Nice and easy.
Back on Bill. About to finish this grouper, I think.
There it is.
Where's the gaff? Oh, nice.
You don't have them hooked very well either.
Nice.
That'll work.
Bill, step back a little. Tim, hold it up. Nice. So, Bill's on another grouper.
Been on a grouper.
Yeah, been on a grouper. It took me forever to wind in to be able to grab the camera. Tim is taking forever too. Oh, and here's deep color. He's floating.
There it is.
Big fish. Big fish, Tim.
Is it?
Nice. Wow.
That's a nice
There
one.
she blows. It's a nice grouper.
Look what it ate.
Uh-huh.
I think he went for that little fish, don't you?
I don't know.
What do you think of my fish?
Step back.
I
Step
reeled
back.
that thing up for 700.
Step back.
Go ahead, take
Step back.
Take it of him.
No, I'm taking it of both of you, but it's step. There you go. I can't go any farther back, so
That's all right.
that's it.
That's enough.
So coming up on a school of porpoise, just kind of looking around. I was gonna say we're cooling off a little bit. All that's happening is so humid and we got so wet that now we're literally just letting ourselves air dry a little bit, get ready for the next bout. Interesting, they don't want anything to do with us. They're just chilling. Okay, well, we don't have to disturb them. Here we go. Good boy. Or girl. Is the case maybe? I mean, really, does anybody get tired of this? I don't. Right?
Okay, good.
I think you could jump. They're big enough to ride.
Almost like they're right there, dude. Did you just hang on to him?
I think if he let you. If he didn't want you hanging on, I don't think you would be. They're all around us. But we're gonna drop down and see if we can get some more grouper. Nobody will videotape me on a fish, so neither my yellowtail or my grouper is on video. Next time, maybe. Okay, so Tim thinks he's on something more substantial. So I am leaving my rod on the bottom with a jig and no bait because I think it's fun to get him hooked up. What do you think, Bill?
I just think. Big white fish.
There you go. Anything you want to say to your fans, Tim?
Wish you were here.
There you go.
Pretty close. Come up back here.
Terrible glare.
Color.
Color? I can't tell anything. Oh, there's color. Shark? Oh, nicer grouper. Definitely nicer than what you were expecting, huh? Cool. All of us have grouper on board now. Two of which have been videoed. Okay, see you, Tim. Gonna go fish now.
Wait.
Wait? Oh yeah, I guess you want a picture, huh?
On the mackerel head.
On the mackerel head. Nice.
See it? You bit the head.
You know the mackerel?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna hold it up? Aha, learning. Okay, stopping this. The frigates were right next to us. Oh, come on. My stinking phone doesn't like my thumbprint when it's wet. So now I don't get them. Okay, fine. Yeah, try to do it this way this time. Don't know if this is gonna hit audio, but we got 6 grouper, 1 yellowtail. I got the yellowtail and 2 grouper. Very, very excellent day. Forgot to check what time it is. Something like 1:20 1 o'clock. We're headed back in. And see if I can give a little bit of background. Anyway, super fun. It's been a great day. Okay, coming into Puerto Escondido after very nice morning of fishing. I think we left around 1 o'clock. Hopefully my other attempts at the fish count have already worked, but at least now it's reasonably quiet. So, we each got 2 grouper. Bill got the largest. In fact, both of his were larger than Tim's and mine, which his were probably in the 25, 30-ish pound class. Tim's and mine, 12 to 20-ish. They're nice, and we have plenty of awesome meals ahead of us. Also got a yellowtail that was about 15 pounds, and a boatload of rockfish. We have an absolutely empty freezer, so this was a trip designed to fill it, and we did pretty good, so we're happy. Anyway, I'll get